Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying account facts. Check your Apple ID birth date in settings so App Store age gates match. Once done, gather a government ID or parental consent. Discord requires proof for age disputes. Make sure the Discord app is updated. Outdated builds can block verification flows. You're doing this to follow policies and restore proper access. Keep your device nearby and note any error messages. That detail will speed up the next steps with support or in-app verification. You'll now run the in-app verification. Go to User Settings and choose the Age Verification or Submit ID option. Follow each prompt exactly and upload clear photos of the front and back of your ID. Once uploaded, include any requested selfie for liveness checks. This helps automated systems match you faster. Make sure to use the verified upload flow inside the app rather than sending images to servers or DMs, because official channels preserve privacy and lead to faster, compliant decisions. Finish by monitoring the verification status. If it's denied, open Discord's support form from Settings or the Help Center, attach the same ID images, and explain the situation succinctly. Make sure parental controls or family sharing on iOS aren't preventing changes to your Apple ID. Fix those with the Family Organizer if needed. If progress stalls, wait 24 to 72 hours for review. And keep screenshots of errors and confirmations. These help support escalate your case if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.